Hey everyone. Welcome back to IT Next channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to reset Windows 11 to its factory settings. Whether you're dealing with performance issues, bugs, or just want to start fresh, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. Let's get started. First, click on the Start menu and selecting the Settings gear icon, or by pressing Win+I on your keyboard. In the Settings window, click on System in the left-hand menu. Then scroll down and select Recovery. Under the Recovery options, you'll see a section labeled Reset this PC. Click on the Reset PC button to begin the process. You'll be presented with two options: Keep My Files or Remove Everything. Choose Keep My Files if you want to keep your personal files, or Remove Everything if you want a completely fresh start. For this demonstration, we'll select Remove Everything. Next, you'll need to choose between Cloud Download and Local Reinstall. Cloud Download will download a fresh copy of Windows 11 from the internet, while Local Reinstall will use the files already on your PC. We'll go with Local Reinstall for this guide. Windows will now give you some additional settings to review. Once you're ready, click on Next. Windows will show a final confirmation screen. Make sure you've backed up any important data, as this process will erase everything on your PC. When you're ready, click on Reset to begin the process. Your PC will now restart and begin the reset process. This might take a while, so be patient. Your computer will restart several times during this process. Once the reset is complete, you'll be greeted with the Windows 11 setup screen. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up your computer just like you did when you first got it. And there you have it. Your Windows 11 PC is now reset to factory settings. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to IT Next channel for more tech tips and tutorials. If you have any questions or run into any issues, leave a comment below, and I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.